This screencast is going to walk you through how to create your PDP for this year. So when you click the link in the email, you should get this screen. You're going to make a copy of the document. And then you'll wait for it to load. Once it loads, you're going to go up to the title and change that. So you're going to change it to your last name, 2017 PDP. Then you're going to go to school name and you're going to take off whichever school doesn't apply to you. So I'm going to take off County Road, and then I'm also just going to make sure I delete where it says delete one. Then we're going to concentrate on the red parts. So the red parts are parts that you need to change. So for you type your name and your assignment. So let's say it's my grade level. Then you will have gotten your emails from the Curriculum Center regarding the workshops you're going to be taking. So you are going to change the two workshop number 1 and workshop number 2 red titles with the names of your workshop. So you're going to go in, let's say I'm taking balanced literacy. Now the next part is the rationale or sources of evidence. This is why did you choose that workshop? Why are you taking that workshop? Any of the things listed here could be rationale for that, but you don't need to use all of them. So for example, I didn't have an instructional coach, so I'm going to take that off. I don't need that. And maybe I'm going to take off technology because maybe that's not why I chose to take balanced literacy, because that doesn't have a lot to do with technology. But the other ones I'm going to keep. Then maybe for workshop number 2, I'm going to say go math. Okay, so again, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to take off what I don't need. So dialogue with coach, don't really need that. I'm going to keep technology this time though because of Think Central. Okay, then the last one is a district goal and covers all of the activities we do at staff meetings. So you see it says implementation of Google Classroom, or implementation of Next Gen Science Standards, or implementation of Curiosity Corner. You're going to pick one to leave. Now that doesn't mean you're not going to do the others. If you're doing Google Classroom, you're probably also doing Next Gen Science. Pick one that you want to focus on. So I'm going to choose Next Gen. So I'm going to take out implementation of Google Classroom or implementation of Curiosity Corner. So now it will just read implementation of NGSS and or various learning activities related to school and district goals. You do not need to do anything else with that section. So you're going to scroll down. All you're going to do again is put your workshop name. So same as above. So I'm taking balanced literacy. I'm taking it as a workshop at the Curriculum Center. My follow-up is going to be professional dialogue with colleagues and principal. It's 5.5 hours. And then I'm going to look at the date of the workshop. So maybe it's 3/15/18. Okay. And I'm going to do the same with Go Math. Go Math. I'm going to then go over here to put the date. So maybe 4/21/18. The last one, again, I'm going to delete the ones that I deleted above. So I'm going to delete Curiosity Corner and Google Classroom. Okay. And so since I deleted Google Classroom, I can now delete this. If you're going to keep Google Classroom there, you can keep that in. Then we're also going to put in the action team meetings and anything we do for staff meetings, which is already there. Okay. And then that just ends in 6/2018. And that is the end of what you need to do in the fall. So your last 2 steps are going to be to go back up, edit, select all, and change all of the font color to black. So you go to this A and you just click black, and that's going to change everything to black. Then you're going to print it and you're going to hand it in to Frank.